Hello, my name is Mark Asmus and I'm with Plumline Solutions. In this video, we're going to discuss the process of loading the payroll tax table updates. We're going to show downloading the updates, we're going to extract those updates, then we'll go through the process of actually loading them into the payroll module and discuss a couple of best practices and tips along the way. To start, you're going to want to download the latest payroll tax table updates. These updates are generally published quarterly on the Customer Source and Partner Source website. Here I am logged into the Customer Source website, and I've brought up the January 2015 payroll tax table updates. On this page, there are some instructions, along with a list of the states that changed. There are some install instructions here that you can follow along with, and these are the same steps we'll be going through in this video. And near the bottom is the actual download. So I'm going to go ahead and click and download this file. And I'm going to save this to my SL Program Files directory so that I have a good place of storing these for future reference. I've already created a folder called pre-release, so I'm going to save it in that pre-release folder. Once downloaded, I will go ahead and extract these. You can use the built-in Windows zip file extractor or your favorite unzipping utility. I'll extract all, extract, and once extracted, I can see that they are in a folder called Jan 30 2015 tax, and within this folder are files for all the different states and federal. Now, I don't actually need to look at these files or know what's in them, because we're going to let SL do the work of loading these tables. I just need to know where they are. Once they've been downloaded and extracted, we'll log into Dynamics SL, into the Payroll module, and open the Load Payroll Tax Table screen. From here I can browse out to wherever I extracted those payroll tax tables, which in my case was in the SL Program Files directory, Applications, and then in that pre-release folder that I created, and then in the Jan 30 2015 tax folder. I'll say OK. And this screen automatically looks and sees all those files that we extracted and knows that all of these different states are available for import. Now I can optionally select all of them using the Select All button to import all the states and federal. Or I can pick and choose. Maybe I only do business in California, so I'll load the federal tables and the California state tables, and that's it. Regardless of what you choose, you'll want to double check the calendar year. Mine is set to 2015, so this is the calendar year these tables are going to import into. There's also an option for import earnings types. This is kind of handy if you're a new customer to the payroll module. It'll automatically import some earning types for you and attach all of these deductions. But if you're an existing customer, I'd recommend leaving that unchecked. Once you're happy with your selections, go ahead and click Begin Processing. The process will load the tables, and when it's complete, it'll say Process Completed. Click OK. Once the tables are imported, you can verify by reviewing the deduction maintenance screen and selecting whatever deduction you want to review, whether it's the California income tax or the federal. And you can kind of look over to see what was imported, the exemptions, the payroll tables, etc., to make sure it looks how you expect it to look. For your convenience, also included in these tax table updates is a PDF export of how the standard demo database tax tables would look if you were to import these. So if we open this deduction types PDF file, you can kind of use this as a reference to compare to how yours looks. So again, this is exported out of a demo database that has the most recent tax tables applied. That way, if you're not getting quite the results that you would expect, you can use this report as a reference point for how we at Microsoft developed and tested these text table updates on our end. Once the tables are updated, they are ready for use and no further steps are necessary. As a best practice, again, these text table updates are released on a quarterly basis, so it's probably a good idea to set maybe a calendar reminder to go ahead and visit the Customer Source and Partner Source website once every couple of months to see if there's a new text table update available for download. This concludes our how-to video on downloading the payroll text table updates for Microsoft Dynamics SL. Thank you.